Now I got my Delphi back in there. Go in here and turn this bad boy on. No battery light. Foot on the brake, throw in reverse. I can rev it all I want. Crank this up. No cutout of the amp. So either something wrong with the alternator, or maybe that JL amp can't handle the 15 volts that the alternator's putting out, which still, in my mind, makes it something wrong with the alternator. It should be putting out 14.4 volts, not 15. I don't know what's going on. This is nuts. I've had to send this thing back, or, well, I can't say that. I sent the DC power back because it didn't work right. Had to send this one back because it didn't work right. Now, I don't know. They think that they can get a wiring harness that will fix the problem. I'm not sure. I don't know.